Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. Alright, so we broke out of the place that I was looking forward to if Jasmy can really break above, and we've done that so far. So you got that one broke to the upside, bullish closing, a little bit of a good thing here. And yesterday, that's exactly what I was talking about, that we need to get above this level. Was it possible? It was definitely possible. Now we got a retest in here, and it's a crucial time that you're gonna have to check out. So you're looking at the 10 EMA on the 4-hour time frame being supported at the moment, and this 10 EMA is going to pretty much decide if we can handle the pressure at the 10. Otherwise, if you start to come down and lose the 20 as well, then the retest is going to be failed. So it's a very good thing. Okay, that's a very good sign right now. And if you can probably just hold above it, then you have a technical target to go all the way up to 5990. I might even think of actually taking a trade down here. It's a retest, looks pretty good to me as well. And let's look if the RSI has any information as well. I like to look at the RSI these days. Now the RSI still kind of shows that you're particularly at that resistance, and the RSI doesn't actually suggest that any break happened. And guys, it's really important to include the RSI as well when you're looking for breakouts, because we really needed the RSI to break above here as well, but it's not really breaking out. So it's a little bit of a shady stuff there, if this is going to be retested successfully, or this is just a fake out and then go to the downside as well. But I don't know, it doesn't really look to me like a fake out if we ignore the RSI for a second right there. On the pattern wise, this does actually look good to me. And let's see, we need probably in the next like 5 hours, or maybe the next 10 hours, we're going to get to know. So if it's it's going to be a very strong retest here, if we get some little bit of reversal candles like this, and then start to push up and then slowly crawl all the way, because I do think you have the possibility of actually getting up here. It's possible, because you got this triangle, you got a fake out, and back to where you came from, right? Because this is a fake out, retest to the upside, and the technical targets, honestly speaking, it should be up here, somewhere here. So even this pattern shows that you're breaking out, and then you could potentially go there. So these are actually two good things that I do look into for Jasmy as well. The weekend is about to end, and the weekend also is about to end in a good way, because this is a reversal candle. So you got a little bit of a bullish engulfing going on the weekly, and of course it hasn't really ended just yet. The candle hasn't closed. You have nearly 1 day 13 hours to close the candlestick, and in the next 1 day 13 hours, if you end up closing something like that, so maybe you might take the whole day for the retesting, and then next week, boom, push to the upside. Another one. 3 very good signs for Jasmy, at least for this short momentarily pump to the upside. And when we're talking about a trade of nearly if it comes down a little bit there, you're looking for, wow, 18%. Now 18% is pretty good, right? It's amazing amount of it's an amazing amount of reward if you consider a day trade or an intraday trade based on that one. So that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.